What are the versions are there in Java software? One minute, guys. Yeah. Okay. The first version when it is released, first version released, right? JDK 1.0, guys. That version released in invented in 1995, guys. 18 months time has taken. Already we discussed. This is the first version released in 1996. We don't want that release year and all. But what are other versions? JDK 1.0, JDK 1.1 is also called Java 1, Java 1, JDK 1.2, Java 2 we call it is Java 2, JDK 1.3, JDK 1.4, JDK 1.5. What is the specialty? They are introducing new features. That's all, guys. JDK 1.6, JDK 1.7. Presently, we are using this. Yeah, we can download 8 also. Okay, JDK 1.8 is there, 1.9 also. New latest one is a 1.9. Okay, this is a version, guys, right? 1.1 Java software, Java 1, Java 2, Java 3, we call Java 8, Java 7. Okay, Java 6, we call them as simply we call them as Java 6. Okay, they did not give names for till here they have given Java 1, Java 2. This is all versions are related in Java 2 versions only, guys. Okay, yeah, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, right? How to install? Is there installation? I will show you. Installed or not? Java. Yeah, it is there, guys. Java 7. I install Java 7. What is there? JDK 1.7 JRE. Two folders we get when you install. Two folders we get. One is JDK, one is JRE. What is JDK? What is JRE? I will tell you now. Okay, na? We get two folders, guys. What are those two folders? JDK, JRE. Now, what is there in JDK? What is there in JRE? This is JDK, guys. Here you can see the bin folder, DB folder include JRE also is there here. Again, lib folder. When I click on bin, okay, here you can see it is the Java C is there. The Java C is there. What is Java C? Okay, Java C is a compiler, guys. Java C is a compiler. Okay, here Java is there, right? This is application, that is JVM. It's a virtual, right? Virtual Java virtual machine. Yeah, see this, guys. How to run Java program? What is required? I will tell you. Right? See this. These are the versions. We are using what? JDK 1.7. How to run Java program? Yeah, guys. How to run Java program? Listen carefully. Normally, if it is a C program, this is C program, guys. C compiler. What happens? If I write a.c, a.c, finally what we get, guys? A.exe. In middle we get a.obj. What is obj? That is also binary code, guys. That is also obj, also binary code. Okay, it contains binary code only except header files code. Okay, na? What is compiler? Compiler converted to binary code only, directly converted to binary code, exe file or binary code. Okay, then we give to the OS. Then OS can understand. This a.c is a high level language. C compiler, it converts to binary code. This is C compiler, guys. This is a high level language. Yeah, it is converted to low level language. Okay, C compiler directly it is converted to binary code of particular OS. For example, it is Windows OS. It's a Windows OS. It's a Windows OS. It converted to binary code for particular Windows. Windows, one operating system can understand one kind of binary code. Okay, Linux operating system can understand one kind of binary code. Right? Different OSs are there. What are the different OSs? Mac, Solaris, Windows, Linux. Okay. Here we use C compiler. That is a platform dependent compiler only, right? C compiler converts to binary code of particular OS. Okay, this code we call it's a native code of OS. What we call, guys? Native code. Particular native code of OS. What is mean by native code? Means that can understand by only Windows. Native code of OS. Okay, that code can understand by Windows only. Is it clear? Clear, guys? This is a C program execution. When it comes to Java, see this. This is Java code, guys. High level language. Okay. Dot Java. A dot Java. For example, A dot Java. This file name is A dot Java. Yeah. What is Java compiler? It converts that code to A dot class file. Now, what is this class file contains byte code, not binary code, guys. It contains byte code. What is A.Java contains? High level code or source code. We call it a source code. What is mean by source code? H language, right? High level code. Okay. We will convert to byte code. Java compiler. What is the name of Java compiler name? Java compiler name is Java C. Java C is the Java compiler name. Yeah, what is Java compiler? Converts to bytecode. Yeah, now JVM is platform dependent, guys. Java C is common for all platforms. Java compiler is same, but JVM is there. It is a platform independent. Sorry, platform dependent. For Windows, for one JVM will be there, Java Virtual Machine. For Linux, for one JVM. For Mac, for one JVM. For Solaris, for one JVM. Different JVMs will be there. It converts to different native code of that OS. Yeah, this is Windows JVM. It converts Windows binary code. Windows native code, for your understandable word. Okay, this is a Linux OS. It's a Linux binary code converted. Linux binary code. Mac JVM, it converts binary code of Mac. Mac OS. Okay, Solaris, it converts binary code for Solaris. Linux JVM, Mac JVM will be there. Solaris JVM will be there. It converts Solaris of binary code. Okay, draw these two diagrams.